Ever wonder how businesses decide between staying private or going public? Let's break down the key differences between these two corporate structures. When a company chooses its legal structure, it changes everything from how they raise money to how they report their financial data. Private companies keep ownership within a closed group, while public companies open their doors to any investor through public stock exchanges. Public companies have a massive advantage when it comes to raising capital because they can tap into the global pool of retail and institutional investors. A business might choose to stay private to keep their long-term strategy out of the public eye and avoid the intense pressures of quarterly earnings updates. Going public is typically the end goal for companies that need massive amounts of cash to scale globally and want to provide an exit for early investors. The trade-off for public status is total transparency. Public companies are held to rigorous standards by regulators to protect the average investor. Ultimately, the decision usually boils down to whether the owners prioritize maintaining total control or fueling rapid growth. If you found this breakdown helpful, save this video for later and subscribe for more finance basics. See you next time.